Many are Ghana for me chacha ubi biara o hwemie me gidi se obo ade adom enti obia eye okay ya sa tena se na nwumre ye ba besua de kakra me gusu ka Ghana ni bia wo hwemie se emre bia so akase bia wudi akire bia na wo se wote ase asase na ete so Ghana ha no osum na gye ye ho nyina ehia osum na twa ye ho nyina ehia osum na ye nyina yetimu ewo enti bisa ho se osum be na timu ahwenko yie kasa na edi akire wo osum ni mu no enye kasapa enti nothing will work for us hwinu ebe yama yen Ghana fo anase ni patuntum asase su no hwinu ebe yama yen esan se kasa bi edi akire na enye kasapa e kasabone enti u compare life not going well enye yie enko yie what you say enti enko yie ni na se kasa ni enko yie Rwanda hweye Portugal hweye enko yie no eno sesa kasa na no hotel no ena sisi ano Rwanda eko yie enti Ghana for so yenso mbe nya se be sesa kasa no ye yentimi kofo bi kasa man na yie ye nya ye abede ena ye mother tongue ye bi before kasa dai so ena abede yentimi fa kasa bi amane nya yie enti mi nyam Ghana for ena ba be sua de kakra ye ba be sua de afa the lamp of God ya ba be to sa kasa no the lamp of God edi enti na broni ehwe so ekatere yese ye wo lamp bia ene de eye for God anase from God anase of God what you say emo bebrebe na efene sen obo ade boye ka hunu se makacho se broni ka God a eye God enye wo kasa what you say nti broni pronounce God broni ka God a eye osunu na kata yeso sa na ye kan se nsuo eye God maye ene na bo abo bia na bo abo bia ho ban wasase so ene nipa bia ho hweme so nso ya abo asa wo ya abo afo enti wo ya abo asa enti mi nuanum Ghana ya hwedi enti emo bebrebe na God no ebo ho ban no e friend so soro no bo ho ban no ade na broni hwe ya na o say the lamp of God, why not the goat of God, why not the sheep of God, the cow of God, the dog of God, the cat of God, but the lamp of God. Makacho se broni kasa bia na wo ka bia atro wom enya kasapa enti u ba be hu de ya atro u ba be ti ase de enti ya atro ena afen so Bible na kasa na da Bible enya kasapa bia what you say enti omo mo tro Bible ne man ena u ba be ti kasa na se u ti kasa na se no u be hu krofo mo tro Bible ne man kasa na be expose bibia wasase so enti ene first of all kan hu se ana se de di kan hu se ye ntro je enti u hwe Bible ni ma sa lamp of God ya ye ba be kan wasem omo trash John. What is so much John chapter 1 verse 29. And I intro Jane into a ya trust him into da koshe J ase e wo John. And to usha John chapter 1 29 o adding numbers na 1 plus 2 unya 3. 3 plus 9 so unya 12. And 1 plus 2 unya 3. They represent the third degree. The original Freemasons, Ghana for Illuminatis. Uya Ghana ni, uya bibini. Now the officer would we are smart and our journey Freemason for an who customer Freemason for now. We are fake, we are duplicates, we are illegal immigrants. And I have friends maybe friends saying Donald Trump we are illegal aliens. We are illegal, we don't have any legal recognition. You need recognition, they qualify us to be good aliens. Yes, we are aliens, bro. We are even aliens a powerful saying for we don't have recognition and only abede na menum te kan wasem na mu san enye easy enye ade bia edi wan gross awo enye better sa a serious thing na kan wasem no what you say entu ade figures na unya 3 omu je oma the third degree maka chom sa brofo no omu no mu ye third degree Freemason na nkasa because omu free omu man no usho mu leaders na omu free omu asase no omu man no omu mo bia ho ato they are Freemasons. And our citizens no omu free omu na omu so omu nsa abode enti omu nye dwumaye enye sika gu omu to ma hwehwe omu ma omu peke bi ato omu mre ba before yes abode so we are not freeing the animals too are mama son, they are Masons. So you need to free the animals jomu wi odi ani say men wi omu, that is the simple tax odi jomu wi keke u jomu wi a free omu. What I say enti omo representative Freemason unsu go nipa bibi na wohwe mi enso no unsu representative third degree Freemason so asege ne se brabe bo abode bi mu ban be free emo abode bi enti no ba betika se bia me bia me ka che se Bible na mu hunu san eye yamam na di hyase no kresen bi hyase e no mo de atrasem egusu enti there should be something that should represent lies and John we don't write J ye ntro J wa ye kasem enti wo hu first say 3 omo no mo tro 3rd degree Freemason ya abrofo no English for no mo kasa na dem na ye tro uwia wasa benya sa kasa na bi wo John 1 nte o wasa benya bi wo John eno so ye je 1 verse 36 1 plus 3 abema 4 4 plus 6 abema 10 1 plus 0 abema 1 I am telling you say it is about abodie. What I say, the lamp of God, it is about. I was saying before, we were supposed to be gas to the animals. What I say, until lamp we are kodu ahay. The child say a yatron say, anya lamp abuan o kodu chirewo o kodu kanian. Anya lamp abuan abu event saying abu lamp ye event saying abu driver. What I say, eno no nko no kodu chirewo. Denti a odi abu driver hon. Unso odi figures bi akoshe we gina wo ma abodie. Se wo bu abodie ho ba, wo di abodie so. Enti ma be chonfoni bi a me de kire mo say ba be sua ho ade ene edri so. Enti lamp na broni kodu hon o kodu aboa eye sheep ba odwan ba and also kodu kania lamp of God. God na eye God. Can we say yentroje lamp eye God enti ma ene adisua so. Minuanum Ghana for we the lamp of God. Meka God God. U bibini be me bia we God. Oban so God. Bo abode ho ban enti wo say God emwa no. Enti makato se tetemre no o se we nipa tuntum na we broni. Makato se tetemre no before colonization munyina munyiye. I'm the first soulmate of the serpent. What I say? So na your boy asase so movable souls na your boy no abo won edi ka abo first and I'm lucky to have the soulmate of the serpent me the papa enti dia me kire mo hana de yesu wa han nyina no before colonization ye mame no krasusa ye grandfathers krasusa ache ensema me ke mun ko villages na mun bisa typical grandmothers typical mothers omo before colonization na omo asase so mun bisa omo they tell you what I'm telling you titimrenum na odi odwan ko didie na ba ku pra ne na ye ne ya e wo so fa no tebo kon so wo ye ne God. What I say odi mo ko didie na ba ku eto enanto chima e wo so fa no tebo kon so unya no ho. What I say eno no mo ko di wa ha no so it is the lamp of God. What I say, we are God. Una odi mwana ko didie no mo pra eno mo ko di wa ha mai unse we obi say original and we fake. What as omo ba behwe ye ne yeso abrofo na ba behwe ne ye bebrebe so ya mamre bi nto de mamfa kamera ne mo na nto na adusua so Minuanum Ghana fo mitachi yana ehame kakra enti Minuanum Ghana fo do ni see the lamp of God na o kan nyina no em na me dia kire mo no omo ba ne ya betena se osum bebrebe na abrofo asum omo de amaye nyina no eye din bi na kutakuta mu eye kasa bi na kutakuta mu ena ne nyina so atrosem hyehye so atrosem no de gusu ena no krasem hyehye ase no krasem na ya mamre won se wa ba beti ase ene ese the lamp of God is about who tax was asase so to protect the land, the lambs, the animals, to be good gas to the you are being light to the animals as well. What I say, because already in the garden it has provided us with some light. Then the amaya light, amaya kania, and to who so we kania e obi abrabom. What I say Minuanum Ghana for enti kasa no lamp no wo hwe pronunciation ne krana body pronounce sa kasa mienu na chewa one head and one difference. And I say in the course of conversation and about what they are actually talking about. But we pronunciation it is almost the same. And a kasa no lamp no the spellings no e pini bi minimi abede me say obaba bete o abeda say kasa broni adada wa afa oba bete ase e na e fen say alphabet na twa wiase nyina ho ahia no so no oba be hunu ate ase what does Minuanum Ghana for oba be hunu ate ase enti kasa bi broni atrase e fen say atregu bible ni mu bia no ba bi atrosem won odi bibi be gina ho a che say we atrosem en na ye je no John en o ko trosa akasa ne hye. What I say, John Okochos Akasa say to come who say the lamp of God is talking about the lamp of the God. And the Bible say I catch him say yeah now a friend say no be your favorite friend say money nyina no be your favorite room a friend say you can say when the bejani nwa bebrebe ho no akodi ba ko bi echi kasa kwa no mo ka kire yen abo bi pra e wo se ugya money nyina ho na dia we pra no ukokɔhwe no. What I say, yeah, we were veterinary officers, veterinary medical. Who's a veterinary? No question be shall say they don't want us to know, so they put something to represent lies. And to dear trick now cocoa, and you're burning a coon. What I say, well, Hunyan said it is a boy. Yes, we should be wise like the serpent. Because a woman is a boy, and a moon or body, a boy want to know about Yatana, and a body in our house, and near pen and cassa. What I say, I don't tell you the tree, so I'm more Yamani. Or boy than I did Yabesi, or Bianon Con and Income fast to be see, or the only be. And I push up a boy, only me and a diago, only Namuniamu. Macacham said the tree of life on Adam, I cry a tree of life. We green grass, a cry of fear, a tree of life. What I say, and Jabo one on Nambia. Internet, we should be wise like the serpent, and you're in Tramucasa assembly tray. Yenipia was as Subian, we need equal knowledge. What I say, you need equal knowledge, and believe you as a and yet knowledge a bit best, a keep it, and yes, I knowledge in that year. And the Bible never was an American, Mubekami, I'm teaching the Bama, and send you a Makikan Kumun, and a mobile Titi, and maybe Mikacha will say, Bible never was an Mamon Tuntuni, Modi entertain Bible, Monfanto, and send me shall say, after Mobile Tiasia, what the Bible actually is talking about, and now Mobile Tiasia. First of all, Casa the good Bible, Nanya Casa, it is not connected to your soul. And to where we waste, you will never be reincarnated. You go and find yourself in a different skin, a very weak skin. You cannot rest in peace. That rest in peace now, which on Asumjana Muslim call rest in peace. Who you don't call rest in peace? Once you have a vulnerable skin, once you have skin, beyond skin will be better me for any time. Where them koda? Unti mean that? What I say? Unti mean that? And the cousin of Bible and yet connected to our identity. Anything like Bonnie said, and I said, friends, America for catchers say we are illegal aliens and we don't have legal recognition now as this one. And to me, no baby, sure, Casabia yet connected to Uso. Casano man, designer Casano, Mancofa Casano, baby. Call me fast to whom Casano. Maybe I one, maybe I catch the one, maybe I better a room in a midi. And to the end, say, to Wasi, your baby, sure, Casano, had dear. Maybe church and more compare. Friends, we are someone in Nakasano. After Uba who Finland the forecast Abetias, Uba who Russia forecast Abetias, Uba who China forecast Abamu come fast in Yasakas and Inan. And I will be in Udian Uya Kenny. Makatos Akanis Ak answers. And to Udian, I say, you be Mount Miracles no Bible in Nano Macan. I will be beneath our Remier. Minutia Sana, Usham Sana, Miss Miriam Sano. Yen I am no, you two need no Bible in no Mumpes Behuno Crescent. Shall see. What does it mean? I'm gonna for you? Keep it, you know, throw me down in a minute. No, some said, Musumi Muniana Matihano, Musumi and Muniamantia says, I'm coming to me, my tremor, and I mean to me, my trust in Sunday. What I said, because once I miss much idea, I can decide to sell it out and make money for myself. What I said, but meaning say, taxing in Chamsa was semiton. What I said, taxing in Chamsa was semiton, minimum channel. Also, what did be a son in the channel, but where is it? What I say, and because I be a Kutem Bible, Nimunan, I will say, Jim, Mimiti, aware me. I respect the Quran. Even though the Quran is not connected to my soul, it is not my identity. I respect the Quran. Because Kasane Demonimetiasia, so I have to respect it. Chinese for identity, Tomokasano, Metiasienti, I have to respect it. What I say? But he could the Casa Beach, I was all take Casanasi, maybe sans a Casa we are saying, Omunia, when you son away the tree. And the Bible, the Koran, all the two on our catcher says, Sabi, Minfa and Mubako, and Kojaminai, Sabi, Minfa Cotoleta, and then come a friend a Bible, and their cotolet. Last time, Facebook, Obishi Bible, well, Facebook, one year, Ushi Bible, one year, and it's a graphic. Ushi Bible, one year. I don't see a part of a games in India. I'm not here for that. What I say? Castle the Bible, they are very weak, and yet Casabia, Ubetimu card their foul to a toilet and your hay. But who try Arab focus and the other coffee now challenge ya. A bit may have effect also. Because it is a real identities, a true identities. Also call Arab for Koa, Sakasana Mukura, and one of Mutual assassin or so. Let's a Casano to me. And friends in your word san kasa no eye word enta meti mi nsoro bia me so me ye word te so mo what I say when you know the tax when you know the rules you nsoro bia what I say ntimi nenu Ghana for unso be say oti rules na sibi rules no eye kasa what I say enti sumo sum bebrebe atwa hia o Ghana nyina no da bia no krese mo bia no emra so Bible na fe na wo ba beti ase na hunu se Bible no kasa bia dem bia no no krese but e hyase e na mo de atrosem ateso na omo de kasa bi egina ho enti kasa bia ma be kire mo se yentro o Ghana sa JUV ni ade ni nyina yentro bia o Ghana no wo de wo hwe kasa na eda so na utimi se e atrosem what I say enti na oba Ghana unya kasa bi ti se Anglicans musa bedru musa be church aseni na ba be so ho ade unya SD Assemblies of God Jehovah Witness Apostolic bebrebe what I say bebrebe enso den na koso Ghana kasa ye fence enuanum bi di akire kra no ebi mo mo nte kasa na se ti se da meni musu ho ade da ben na e be ti se kasa we ayesu ho ade ayatrosem da ben na e be ti sa entimi nuanum Ghana fo mo hwemi emra so ye nya kasa no e wa Ghana ye nya broni kasa e wa Ghana we have been under English spell for so long what as ye mpanyi fo nyina de na English spell omu nimo omu koto kasa na e chom o de hwe extravagant de bi ase mpanyi fo di sika ye hu sika no kwan e fa so by and so we need to expose the travel agent before we know what I say before we know otherwise you cannot know and kasa we don't need the language so be autono emra so be games na do too much what I say games na do too much know your spiritual purpose know your spiritual journey understand your spiritual journey know that if you are truly under transition you need the language utu kan nya kasa entu upeso utu kan peso ko ba bia kasa ne kan enye den ma adentia what I say adentia enti na minuanum Ghana for the lamp of God kodu kania ena esa kodu friend saying abo adwan eba what I say enti the lamp of God no eno ena dia brem ene bebi omko troshe no atreo se ya trosem what I say bebi omko troshe no atreo se omo ka treo se wo asedi bi eso obo abode bi hu ba enti na John 1:36 ekoko ende wo 10 what I say ekoko see 10 o se omo sheda de one by John 1 ye 1 on earth abode bibia wo asase su bia no enta bonu se ONE ye on earth ONE yini ye earth so everything every movable thing on earth no ye the one and representing so you are on earth and 36 no 9 makata so wo organic number 9 so it is our tax ye amamre entunya 9 wo ho omo ntimi omo de besie ye but ye be hu achi akwan they know enti 36 ne chew say wo na okasa chew na one ne chew say everything movable abode bia wa asase so and enye movable so a once ya abode wa asase so onim say your body abode bia it is representing on earth it is on earth so it is representing one enti uni pa bibi no so boss anwa ne ho ban abode ne so bo ho ban enti John 1:36 no kasa fa wo bibi ne ho ya mamre what I say ubenya proof a chew say ya mamre proof be chew say ya mamre yegusu bia yegusu chete aseba yegusu hwe de ekoso enti de ekoso bia ne wo so eba bibie so akyerɛw na so hu de ekoso na unu nua bia ka ho asem what I say that is all we are doing is you have to spread the light what I say we try say o de kan ehwe obi kwan mu a wo so wo kwan mu tene the more me so me try say ensam me ba be sua ho ade no then I am knowing more to tell you to learn with you but enkama nyesa me ne mo ba be chan wasema enkama stuck enka me hu more it will not compel me to ask more from the creator what I say enka inspire me to ask more from the creator enka me kokoton ya enka me hu more enti emna me come ni mu no ewo adeton ni mu no na ne ye bie kasa no so kire me enso enka me gie ma adwen se me ne mo be sua ho ade free of charge se me hu so ba se me ti bia se ba on my own wabra me nkoton ye wabra me nkodjon ne omo what I say enti nam Ghana so wonsu nam Ghana fo wonsu ye free mason ni u bibini biare wonsu u ye free mason enti na John 1:29 no eko ende wo 3 makata se Bible no wa mamre na shase enti zakwa ende wo 3 na se wonsu ye free mason ni you to come and free the animals your simple tax free the animals bro nya briwe wa dream kokko democracy sabody ye hunu bebrebe are you free the animals are you a good or a qualified or an original freemason o abede ene o abener bema wati rules na se en na dan ba bi afiri no afa oba be hunu di clear en che de kasa na be bremo ye ba be sua kasa no ho enti kakra de bremo ne no enti mi nanum Ghana fo mun ka bi nkyere ye nuanum bi sa wa ma no ne sa wa Ghana ba bi a wo bia wan sa we nipa bibi ni de o connection o ye den wu a ye nyina be kwa ko share of akon o ja say ye wu e be kwa ko share of akon mo bia nda da we all have one destination to meet hell land the animal kingdom baby a mwana ko piem ye na ama animal kingdom bia ba asasi so ye bi before say ye bi before me kasa e be kasa ye bi before na ama animal kingdom bia ko ka baby enti e wo say ye kokko ka hobi ya fa mo bi aduane omun ko di den what I say wa fa mo bi aduane a onko ko di den nti so no so teno na ko pe bibidi enti wo su asasi so a se da be say abode obi so be say wo saa what I say yes e karma enti e be happen e be si obi aso saa enti abrofo ne daadai omu gusu daadai omu de nko ka omu nko anka na nka yenti asasi so enso bi sa wo say whose fault is it what I say million Ghana for bisa who say whose fault is it omo no ma be dada yin eno mo amusa de yefa tibia wom hoping and say think fankasa will be wise check Pokigami ordinance sinibu what I say ordinance sinibu ati rules na say yes obesesa omani nyina life say ene Pokigami o we fra asasi so a or you qualified or you reincarnated a friend say living soul. What I say, Pokigami reincarnated living so who never saw asasi su bi ma ba but obi ti say na nadom John mo friend say ye vice mo ne ade nyina they will never return to this earth again o ma be say body e o mo de yam so ma be bo abode ho ban fine o ma ba abode ho ban no krasem be na mo ka kire yen o ma nka no krasem bi a kire yen ye tax no o ma nka kire yen and na be say whose fault is it Miss Animano obronia corrupt ya adwene. I'll not end this video without reminding you say jamo janam na wo wiem enama wa adwene ana say nyina ya adwene asesa eno na abrofo de dada yen nananom no mo de dada yen nananom ena o ma adwene sesa ye akose wodi fence de dia me kasa asem no diesel engine fence diesel oil what I say akogu petrol car mu what I say sa pepe na o mo ye yen e mo anye sanka they cannot deceive us o mo timi na ada ye ento mo fry moja o me say moja na ewo ye mu no what I say o me frem pe uwu a wunwu eso ne ye besesa enti nkofo bu a hu o ne ya on ti ase me enani me em say nra ena me kokrom ba bi na maami bi ne mamienu me o picture me twa mo picture but o mo ahu maami bi ne mamienu na overhead footbridge oh ya ye twa kwan mu no o mo ahu footbridge no ena nya 1 lane 2 lanes me kan say be 4 5 lanes ena mo twa kwan ni mu ase ena mo hurihuri ena mo se wa hwe nipa ne ye o hwe nipa eni ye just under the footbridge no wantimi anfo ene nyema okita no what I say enti osa odifuro oditwa kwan ni mu just imagine hwe nipa bi ne ye enti broni acorrupt ye nyina na ye de ti asase so hwe ye mpanyimfo nyina ne ye hwe ye youth ye odine ho awon ti ase enye ye forta mojanam bia eguso wie no entimi nsesanye enye dise jawie ena wo be jawie no so for a very long time na ware sa de no do ma me yemu no na wo wie sa mojanam no enti wo jawie dia it will take you long so open in time there depend on the tree of life and forget illegal nya ukasa ai nya ukasa what I say o wi mojanam o pampan nye enti police chiwa efa say any tree of life no eye marijuana na police chiwa ubo ni bia emfa mesi abeda me ebiana obi ani ho be trinity ebiana edu ha obi ani ho be ba art what I say ebiana edu ha obi ani ho be ba art enche abeda no ye ba bisua ho ade enti mi nanu Ghana for can be true unua na bra ye nsua ade enti na let us decode the lamp of God no ene dia bremo ne de dia mekasa asem chem se be decode the lamp of God be decode the lamp of God no a very simple decoding a very simple message but e was say the kasa bi efemfam ho ma e was say the kasa bi kan ho ma na ama won so what de pese ye den ye ka chew ase entimi nuanum Ghana for kakra na ye de bremo ene the lamp of God mun kokko dwene ho mun kokkan mun nwene ho bia na onti ase kasa bi na da ba bi na onti ase a ebedu su ye be kire ho ade ana se be sua ho ade untimi so a wo de fa comment yen wo de fa comment me e wo me video bi ase mehwe mu na de wo mu bia no ya ba be sua ho ade enti ene me makasa no nye etenten ema mo emre pebe mu a te se de abetena se sua ho ade no sa pepepe ene ba be hye mu ha na yesua ade na also o spiritual purpose o spiritual tax how de ba sa se so no wo be hu na chia kwan eno na me fa no say me tax no what I'm doing, that's the same thing the serpent did or chere ade o gina no preso chere ade nipa kan sem share no enti no so ya na adwen say on kasa biom me tie enkrofo bebrebe na Facebook na abeka kan sem ahye me na mo be bi mko ba out abeka sem ye fake me nka so ma ba out o my voice note atututu be bi sem ye fake but o mo ntimi ma out o mo ya sad no yen and they were trying to play games o mo de be back the mo kan say me fake no mo de back but they didn't succeed they came and so up to now no mutimi ma bontin yes the gina ho no onhwe yie na wanye den wanhwe ase ebia na hu se nipa mienu miensa bi na etie me de okay se ba kokora na me okay na ebia wo de wiase nyina na etie wu esi de gina ho no onhwe yie na wanhwe ase e ma onya se bia wo de waduru e fa na sen lada no waduru so ento mo mu gina fom no wo ba betiti ntesu egu am so da bi lada no onim se nipa na be yie se lada na be hwane wo you don't even know etimi nganum gana fo udi ane se ubekita no kre ukita no kra domri bebe bia no kra no be reflect sanete what I say sanete intimity e me twa consider obi be ba be kase me ye fake and medical do fake na ma obi ba no be kase me ye fake a won kase no yes by their fruit they will be known they shall be known enti de e kan asem wa utimi ba be kase me ye fake dia then you yourself you are exposing yourself won kase wo exposing emri bi bedu a me be chemo kasa no uhu kasa bia beti ase won so kasa esan so ya kan ni ntino you test it so it has to work for you de be ma hu kwase kasa ni nyeduma ma no me hu ni say e better sa o jamojanam na we and depend on the tree of life na fa yi mojanam na na say e moja fina de good system ni mu no na en flashing ma then you have the ability to not think like a baby because enkola hu kutan atro akola bi no ba sa si so kuta atro enkola ni ma atro but ade na nkola ni nyi ba no ma be sua atrodie mo nyine ho what I say all free ni ma me yemu ba no moja nam na e won system no en no so enti atro ni no so but all nyi ba na all we more of moja nam no na won say atro ni do so enti umba be nyi no na wa be otro but broni said of broni tie won nkola brim no onyi asa no tie adamu stadium broni nya sa na tie mo muti abroche no mumbisa bisamo abrofo dodo sen odi yesi majority carries the vote men ka sa abrofo nyina e ka no kre but they say majority carries if majority carries the vote and let us say abrofo no dodo no they don't lie to themselves adentia because omo nyi mojanam enti adwene se do mo de ba sa ase so no sa pepepe na adwene tie ba obibini o wi mojanam enti adwene enye pep enye se de tie enti tunu e bifo no nya mojanam na o wi no and depend on the tree of life. You have a tree flash your system. Tree of life, I was say, would this something a buy, marijuana tree, no, yeah, friend in Tampe, our friend weed. Didn't you buy no to come and flash our system because of what they're not loving and caring. On him said the air to you, the air, and yet a friend say, you need that sword, me can say, and you need that home, you need now. What I say, engineer so or the friend is saying, tree of life be a baby severe, or the tree of life be ba, na a baby wash ye ecclesia system, na yensu yentimi, and ye nipa ewasa. So said the enemy de any nipo. And one cry, nipa saying, we don't treat the animals right and look at even ourselves, how we treat ourselves. We don't even support ourselves in Ghana. Obi can be been say, your son, I say. You won't say the nipa king nipa di okin ebeboa Ghana ebeboa asime se ebeboa efense ko we nyanka no da bi en penisa e wo say ebubu nipa na say nipa no etimi na mbaga for kasa me de say de tien sa na meka no say de tien sa na meka no minim say me ntina asase me nchebo de ama say de wa asase se na me ya ma wo no enti wo so ye obi ye ma obi o si ye wa say de wo obi Ghana for emra so e was say ni brene ja agro na ye die no ye nya e kasa e was say tro e kasa what I say e was say tro e kasa o Ghana na bia ho tono entimi makasa na tenten me do mesia na mlembe mu a ya sa so ene mu atenase ene tumi da obi bia ase